Vice President Sara Duterte appears resigned to her fate in the event she is impeached.
If I get impeached, then that is my end. Gumastos at magwaldas ng pera ng gobyerno para i-impeach ang Vice President. Pagtakpan ang kakulangan at pagsisinungaling ng administrasyon. Para lang hindi mapansin ng mga tao na maraming mga pangako ang napako ay babanatan at babanatan nila ako.
She also claims House Speaker Martin Romualdez wants to become vice president. The Philippine Constitution says the president has the power to nominate a legislator from the Senate or the House of Representatives to fill the vacancy left in the office of the vice president.
I really believe that we have reached the point of no return. They are really going after me. At gusto talaga nila akong tanggalin sa posisyon.
Meantime, Vice President Duterte declines to answer questions about her alleged controversial misuse of funds. Asked about how her office was found to be violating the rules of confidential funds use as contained in a Joint Memorandum Circular or JMC.
I will not answer a question na si Bons Magsupol ang nagsabi na there is a violation of the JMC. I will only answer kung nagsabi ang COA if there is a violation of the JMC.